September. My name is Chef Yasmin, and I just finished a workout like 10 minutes ago. And by the way, fall's around the corner. Isn't that wonderful? I just finished a workout, and I looked in my refrigerator. I don't know if this ever happened to you, but you open the fridge, the freezer, and you see a whole bunch of leftovers, a whole bunch of stuff in the freezer, and there's no specific plan, but you just have to throw something together. And tonight is one of those evenings. So I'm gonna put together some Asian dumplings here with spinach, and then I have some leftover turkey burger. Yeah, you got your carbs, you've got your vegetables and protein. That's it. And sometimes that's what you have to do. Yeah. Oh, and I also have some leftover shiitake mushrooms from my what was I making the other day? Oh, I was practicing my chicken a la king for my next TV segment. So we'll put those together, and that will be that. Yes, indeed. So let me see. 1, 2, 3. I think 7 is the recommended portion. 7 pieces. Yep, 7 pieces. All right. We let that saute for about 2 minutes. I'm gonna just cut it up in small or medium dice. Boom. I make my turkey burger from scratch, by the way. You can do that too. All right, let's see how we're looking. Nice brown color. Yeah, look at that. Lovely. And then our sauce is going to be a combination of Szechuan and a little bit of oyster sauce together. Perfect. All right, so our meat goes in next. Our shiitake mushrooms. Yes, yes, yes. And then some iron. Lots of spinach. Oh yeah. Smells so good. Some Mamacita's oyster sauce. We're gonna go very easy, okay? Because it's like this sauce is a little heavy on the salt. Let me see. Let me put a little bit of water. Good, Mama. Come back here. All right. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, very easy. Oh, that looks good. This tastes amazing. Turkey burger. We got some spinach. Oh my God. My workout routine tonight was step aerobics with C Donor Fitness. Check it out, okay? I'm gonna post a clip after this, and if you've never done step aerobics, maybe during high school, you took volleyball instead like I did, it is an amazing workout. And Chris herself, she makes it fun. Her steps are exciting. And the key with exercising, with any exercising routine, is to keep moving, okay? All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, what? One more? Yeah. One more from the top. Knees up. Go. Stop it. Stop. Swing it. Shuffle. Shuffle low. Let's face it. You step on the floor. Up and one. Let's try for real on each side. For real. Outside one. Straddle once again. Over knee. Swing it back leg. From the top. Knees up. Last one for real. Good. For real. Stop. Swing it. Shuffle. Good. bring it on lately? Keep going, keep going. Anybody else? Maybe we need a viewing party.
Wow.
Yes, behind the bench, toe taps on the edge. I know, Paula, right? It goes really fast. So that's the thing about when you're doing these, when you're learning, right? You're learning. Instead of getting frustrated,